Welcome to Portmore, Port Henderson Road, aka Back Road. And then the Charlottes will be buying from Back Road today.
Same way, active. Every Thursday, Friday.
Every Thursday, Friday? So that means if me come yesterday, I'm in a business.
Yeah, fully active.
And I need to buy something at Back Road.
Alright.
Saturday.
We have topless tonight. Tonight, topless.
She's
Topless,
when you say
yeah.
topless, that means the girls that take off them blouse, top of them blouse?
Yeah, man, dance and rock out, skin out and all.
And what time that start?
8 o'clock.
Cheese and peas. Back Road.
Yeah, man.
Oh, so that type business are going around today? Jano.
Everything fresh on here.
So-
all the girls, them fresh.
Jano. Jano.
Back road, you say?
Oh, you mean?
Back
We're
road.
buying a Back Road. So you just buy a fish a Back Road?
Yeah, yeah, man.
Alright.
Boy, I swim around.
Okay. Okay, you buy a sim
No
around.
fish on.
Alright.
Everybody take back road for just like you buy pussy or you sell pussy. Back road is not like that.
A business place.
A business place.
Alright, and we're there for show them to say a business.
Business place.
Because the people may not see it.
Sit and have a drink here.
Jano.
If they want to look at my pretty face, they can
Jesus
sit
face like
right
how, like
here.
how me and the world I look funny now.
Yeah, you can come sit right here and look at my pretty face and have some nice little drinks.
Jano.
Yeah. Named Dolly House. So we're gonna have topless dancers
Jano.
every Fridays.
You're starting
on
when?